Hello, I'm going to be explaining how this program works and why I chose all the parts that I did. So first of all, we have to open the file as a reading file and then use the pandas module to read the file and then convert it to an array. Then we're going to initialize all the dictionaries that we need for appliances, daily cost, and percent of cost. Then we're going to iterate through the array and calculate the values that we need. We need the daily usage and the daily cost, and then we apply to the respective dictionaries, or we append to the respective dictionaries. And then we are going to calculate a couple of values based on the iterated data. We're going to get the total and the average consumption and the highest appliance. This function will actually return the name or the key of the highest appliance. Again, calculating a couple values, the daily cost, the monthly cost, the yearly cost, and we're rounding all these values to two decimal places because cost only goes to cents, which is two decimal places. And then we're going to calculate the percent. We're going to iterate through the daily cost, all the items for the key and value, and then we're going to add those to the percent cost dictionary using this formula. Then we're going to create the graphs using the data from the file that we have already parsed. And then we're gonna label it, title it, make it the right size, and save it to the plot1 PNG, and we're gonna save this pie graph to the plot2 PNG. Then we're gonna use the simple doc template module from Report Lab in order to create the final report. We're gonna add all the important details that we need. We're gonna add the graphs down here, and we're gonna create the data for the table. We're going to get the headers and place all the data in there. And then we're gonna then we're gonna build that to the document energy report. Then we're gonna create a data frame for the old data and make a new data frame for the new data that you would add here. Then we're going to concatenate both of those to make it one data frame. Then we're going to convert it to a numpy array and repeat the process from the first part and make it save to this PDF. So that's basically how it works. Thank you.